Yeah, the mayors who came here say the homelessness funding they're asking for is crucial, but it comes as the governor has called out some local governments he says are not doing enough.
Addressing homelessness, our state's #1 issue, must be a priority.
We can't do it ourselves. We need help from the state.
Governor, legislature, do not stop now.
That's the message from these 7 mayors representing some of California's biggest cities. They came to the state capitol to urge Governor Gavin Newsom and members of the legislature to allocate $2 billion in the state budget for the Homeless Housing Assistance and Prevention Grant Program, also known as HAP. Mayors here credited the governor with allocating billions of dollars in HAP funding to their communities over the years. They say the funds have resulted in a combined 17,000 plus shelter beds serving more than 150,000 people across the state. Now, though, as the state faces a $12 billion deficit, they want to make sure Newsom does not cut the HAP funding.
In San Francisco alone, it funds 1,000 shelter beds. If we lose this funding now, we as a state would be turning our backs on real progress and real people.
Our HAP dollars fund about half of our homeless programs. So without HAP, we would shut down our shelter facilities.
We have leveraged HAP funding to support our rapid rehousing program, employment services to put individuals on a path toward self-sufficiency.
Without HAP, this progress will be reversed. It's as simple as that.
But just last week,
They need to do their job.
a passionate Governor Newsom said some cities and counties are not doing their part.
There are counties that are doing incredible work. We applaud them. There are many cities doing extraordinary work. I applaud them. There are many cities that are not and many counties that are not. They just have to do their job. I'm not interested in funding failure anymore. I'm not. I won't. Time to do your job. People are dying on their watch. Look at these encampments. They're a disgrace. They've been there years and years and years and years. I've heard that same rhetoric for years. People are dying.
And the mayors who came to the Capitol tell me they are hopeful their meetings with leaders in that building and with members of the governor's office will result in the funding the mayors are asking for. But on Wednesday afternoon, the governor's office responded to the mayors. A Newsom spokesperson writing this in part, quote, California has made unprecedented investments to support local cities and counties, investing more than $27 billion to help them address homelessness. It's time for local governments to step up and do their jobs. So will Newsom grant their request? Well, we should have an answer to that by the start of the new fiscal year, July 1st. Reporting at the state capitol, covering local news that matters, Eitan Wallace, Fox 40 News.